Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and I hope you all are taking care of your health and your family members. So tomorrow is for my 2021 and here is my tomorrow's to-do list. First I will give one prelims mock test. Okay. Then I will read editorial plus vocabulary from Vocab24 app. Then after reading editorial, I will cover current affairs plus I will revise previous month current affairs from AffairsCloud. I will give you link of AffairsCloud app in description and by using my code you can get extra 10% discount. So check the description box. Then for reasoning I will practice 5 prelims plus 3 mains level puzzles. Then I will practice 2 mains input output, then 10 questions of coded blood relation. You can find these questions simply on Google. Then for maths, I will do 5 mains TI and I will practice mixed arithmetic questions. For these things, I will follow guidely bundle PDF of mains. You can also follow that bundle PDF because the PDFs are updated daily and it is available in both Hindi and English language. And if you have any doubt, then they have provided video solutions also. And by using my code, you can get 12% discount. I will give you link of that in description box. Then I will do some speed practice of maths. Then I will take English class plus revise my grammar notes. Then I will do 2 mains level RC. If you have guidely bundle PDF, then you can easily find these mains RC in that. If don't, then you can Google the mains RC and get it from there. Okay, so that's all for tomorrow. You can make changes according to yourself because I know everyone's to-do list is different. This is just a reference. Okay, you can make changes according to you and your suitability. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless you.